Catch me on the downslide. I'll be heading up in the wild, chillin' low key. I'll be heading up in the wild, chillin' low key. Catch me on the downslide. I'll be heading up in the wild, chillin' low key. Catch me on the downslide. I'll be heading up in the wild, chillin' low key. Catch me on the downslide. I'll be heading up in the wild, chillin' low key. Catch me on the downslide. I'll be heading up in the wild, chillin' low key. Catch me on the downslide.
Alright guys, it's Monday. I decided to come out and do a repeat cruise night, Lake Grill view. I did it one time, shot in the dark, so I wanted to try it again, give it another try. But even though y'all know my time, man, I'm gonna get there by 7 o'clock. As I said, it's just it's Monday, so the weather is nice, so I'm just trying to take advantage of the weather. So that's why I said, you know what, let me go up there and let me see what it is. It is what it is, but you know, as I said, the weather is holding up, so I want to get on out there and see what it is. So ETA was like an hour. Right now it's down to 41 minutes. So this is, I believe, in Calvinton. So Lakeview Grill is like kind of like a restaurant, a big parking lot, and they have way in the back an area that they do go-karts. So it's like a good thing, like bring your kids and hang out, eat, whatever. But as I said, we're gonna see what it is today because the season is basically winding down. So I said, you know what? I always wanted to give it a second shot, but the only hiccup is my time. So as I said, we're gonna go up there and see what it is. So hopefully y'all looked at the back end videos. I am pretty much almost caught up to my videos. I got a late evening cruise night that I have to upload, and then the Pontiac show. So by the time this video come out, all that should be in rotation playing already. So as I said, today was a very long day, and I said, you know what, let me still get out here and see what I can capture for Monday. But Monday usually be a wash. Monday usually rains or whatever it may be. So I'm out here on a Monday. We gonna see what we get. So I tap back in with y'all when I get to Lakeview Grill. All right, guys, I made it. So this is basically Lakeview Grill cruise night. So let's see. You know, I'm always late, so let's see what cars is out here. Or see what cars is leaving. We got the photographer right there. Alright, we got a Jeep in the building. Okay, I see you. Alright, let's see what's that. A few cars out here. What's up? Got some good pictures there? Yeah. Couple of cars here. Lamb shops. Okay. Got a nice background area.
Oh my gosh. How old?
Think like people starting to leave now. We got TRX in the building.
But now, such a mountain.
seen this car before somewhere. Swear to God. Guess everybody pulling out. Just looking at the time, people. You know my timing sucks. 7:09. Everybody leaving. Alright, guess it's gonna be a quick in and out. Alright. Quick in and out. Yeah.
Is it like a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What's the name of it?
Life with Mike LS.
What?
Life with Mike LS. Watch our back. Watch our back with the car. Nice cars. Couple of joints here. Super nice. As I said, it's just kind of like a open area. As I said, man, if this area ever becomes full, this will be like something super dope. But all right, so this is basically what we got for the night. So I said, this are few cars, and they got the go-kart thingy back there. We'll just take a walk back there real quick, as always, and see exactly what's going on back here. As I said, shot in the dark. Super shot in the dark. Second time here. I don't know. My timing sucks, people. So I don't know if I will make it back here again, because I keep on getting here like at the same time. So I don't know if I'll make it back here, because I think like every time I come too late, and I'm gonna get the same results. But I did try. So as I said, they do the whole go-kart thing back here, which is pretty cool. I thought I heard some cars. Well, I hear some people actually on it, so let's actually see how this yeah, they actually got people actually running on it. Hell yeah. I look from the side. Oh, whoa. That's what's up. I think I did this, yeah. I think what I said before it was about I guess I think the guy told me $28 or something like that. I ride or something like that, but look, super cool though. Straight buzzing, man. Hell yeah. Whoa. I have a heart attack for one lap or something. That looks super cool too. All right, well, that's all she wrote, folks. That's all she wrote. I guess I'm gonna beat back up the road again. So I said, it's a Monday, shot in the dark, pick. Guess people ain't wanna come out tonight. I think one time, I seen a post that this was like super packed and whatnot, but I don't know. I guess this is it for the season. So, but we did take the FA Green Scat Pack outside. So what I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna go back home and put another piece of cloth, fiberglass cloth around Rangel, and let it cure. And then after that, I'll be ready for the actual fiberglassing, which is pretty cool. So today's Monday. If I do that tonight, by Tuesday, it should cure by Wednesday. I should be applying the fiberglass, and that should be that. Alright folks, Scat Pack is dirty, but still look clean. Still look like the meanest car in the parking lot. Hell yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna bust out of here. As I said, it's a shot in the dark. Ain't nothing too much going on. Got a couple of Long Island specials out here. Yeah, alright, that's it. I guess I'm gonna bust a move. Guess I am going to bust a move. The only charger in the building. Alright, let's keep it moving. Alright, feel nice and warm in here. Whoa, I know you heard that. Whoa. Oh man. I actually had a microphone just in case. I went inside the spot and I was hoping to see, I guess it was closed actually. I was hoping to see the owner or somebody that basically be promoting this, but just that ain't happen. As I said, it ain't nobody's fault, but it's just the timing. The timing sucks as always, so it is what it is. So, ooh, Drake. So let's make our way back home. It's maybe like a good hour drive. So as I said, man, it's just, as I say, I always say this is just, you know, sometimes me just, I'm driving back and forth. Sometimes it's a hit or miss. It's a hit or miss. So it is what it is. It is what it is. As I said, I put in that work. I try, and that's all I could do.
Let's take I-495 West, Long Island Expressway, Dix Hills, I-495 West, HOV Old Westbury, Grand Central Parkway West,
for the road.
Queens.
And alright, it's kind of warm in here. Alright, let's get the seatbelt on and let's go. I mean, cause you know a lot of these cruise nights and these things is for like a lot of local people anyway. People that lives in the area to come and hang out. This is a good hangout if you live in the area. Of course, I will never say it's a great hangout if you live in the area. So, but you know what? I'm actually gonna put it on that mode for them because gotta go out with a bang. Hell yeah, gotta put it on that mode. Gotta put it on that mode. Gotta let them know. Gotta definitely let them know. So, alright, you already know, man. I'm gonna boogie out of here. I'm gonna basically boogie out of here, people. Come on, you behind me. You know, they may be looking at me like, yo, who's this guy on the camera? Mike LS. You ain't know. Look at the plate. Mike LS. Who's that guy on the camera? Mike LS. They ain't know. But they go hear that rumble though. Yo, look at the navigation. Navigation don't even show a destination here. It's all good though. Alright, so as I said, we are out of here, and basically this is the restaurant right here. The restaurant, which is actually closed. Big entrance closed. No map. When there's no map, it's dangerous. But this is basically the way in. Whoever, they got boats and whatever going on here. And this is basically the play. The play in, the play out, and they go to the road. So, alright, yeah, well, ETA. Y'all see that ETA, an hour and 7 minutes, so y'all already know. When I be telling y'all I be driving, I be walking. Sometimes it's a shot in the dark because I drive, and then it be like, but as I said, I blame myself. So let me give y'all a picture right here. This is Scotts Point, as y'all can see, Lake Grill. Y'all already know Mike LS was in the building. Yes. So this was my second time here. So I actually gotta go this way, so I don't know what's going on here. This was my second time here, people. Second time. Numero uno. No, I'm gonna say numero uno. No. Second time here, man, as I said. And I kind of figured that, you know, this was gonna be my results again. But it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Alright, so what's going on here with this car right here? I see you. What are you doing? Oh, you wanna turn? I don't think that's gonna happen because I am lying.
In half a mile, use the left lane to turn left.
On Wading River Manor. Okay. Alright, sorry guys, it wasn't a full video. I tried for a Monday. I really did. So we're just gonna add this to the weekly collection. Tomorrow is Tuesday, the weather look good.
At the light, turn left on Wading River Manor Road.
Don't know where I'm going tomorrow. And I don't know where I'm going tomorrow. So it's telling me make a left at the light. And here come the left. Like this thing is like way out somewhere. Just imagine when this spot get dark. Don't want to be out here. I always tell y'all that. When it get dark, I don't want to be out here.
2.5 miles. Turn right to I-495 West, Port New York.
And it's way out there by exit 68. So 68 is like 58 miles. 58 miles for me. Rounded off to 60. So, alright. Well guys, I'm gonna beat up the road and anything I'll tap back in with y'all when I get a little bit closer to home. We go talk about it.